I need you to stop having this idea of having plan B. Like a lot of people, before even they start something, they are thinking about plan B. What is the point of plan B if plan A didn't work from the beginning? You don't need a plan B. You need an execution technique. You need to do something right now. You need to do something that will help you to go to the next step. Plan B is sucks. Like I never found a successful person who have a plan B. They always have one plan, one strategy. They're executing it. Even when they start, they don't have any plan. They don't have any strategy. They feel and they imagine something that they want to achieve. Then they go for it. And you guys thinking that you want to have a plan B before you have a plan A. I found this some of the questions that people ask, like, what Ahmed if it didn't work? Then if it didn't work, that means you are not learning enough. You don't have the experience to go to the next step. I always say, what has got you from there to here will not take you from here to there. So you always keep learning. I always say that you always